Dear students, today let us do an activity of finding the focal length of given concave mirror. For that, we required materials. For that, the material required V-stand, concave mirror, white sheet or cardboard sheet which is used as screen, and candle, meter scale or meter tape. Let us do first finding the focal length by capturing the object which is at infinity on the screen. Let us find the focal length of this mirror by exposing the light on the object which is far away for us. See, here there is a building, and building there is a part of trees also we can able to see. Now here first of all take V stand and fix a mirror on the V stand. Take the screen and adjust the screen so that the image of that object form on the screen. Now here I am adjusting the screen here so that I got now clear picture, a sharp image of that object I found here. Now let us measure the distance from the mirror to the screen with the help of tape. So here in meter tape it is showing that 22 centimeters. So that means the focal length of this concave lens is 22 centimeter. Why? Because we know that when the object is far away, it produces parallel beam of rays. When it is incident on the mirror, after reflection, all of them were converged at a point that we call as focus. Where the rays are converges, there we will get a sharp image of the object which is far away. Now let us start to find the focal length of the concave lens by using candle and keeping this candle at different position. Let us find the image distance by using the screen. First of all, keep a mirror on a V stand. Now I am keeping the candle at a 35 centimeter distance from the mirror. So we know that the distance from the mirror to the candle is said to be object distance. Now take the screen and adjust the screen here so that to get sharp image on the screen. So now here I am adjusting here to the screen so that I got here sharp image at 65 centimeter. So here the distance from the mirror to the image distance means screen is said to be image distance. So here when I kept the candle at 35 centimeter distance, so I got the image at 65 centimeter. And if you observe the image size also, so here the size of the image is larger than the size of the candle flame. It means the image is enlarged and it is inverted. Now let us move this candle to 44. I am taking now, it is to 44. Now again I have to get the sharp image. So for that let us move the screen towards the mirror. So here you can find the sharp image. Still finding the sharp image, you have to adjust the screen. So now you can able to see there is a sharp image here beside the candle only. And how it is, if you observe the size of this image, the size of the image is equal to size of the object. At the same times the distance of the image and the distance of the object we got the same. When I kept 44 centimeter distance from the mirror. So means here the distance of the object also 44 centimeter, distance of the image also 44 centimeters. Now let us increase the distance of the object. Now I used to keep that image Let us take here at 50. So here 50. Now I am taking the candle at 50 centimeters. Now let us capture the image on the screen. So now here again we have to do the same. So slowly increase the distance from the mirror. So here at this point we got the sharp image. How the image it is? The image is inverted, but comparing to the size of the flame, candle flame, it is diminished. So here when the object is at 50 centimeter distance, we got the diminished image. Let us find the distance of the image from the mirror. So here the image distance is showing that it is 42 centimeters. So here when the candle is at 50 centimeter, the image distance is 42. Now let us move the candle to 60 centimeter. Now here the image object distance is 60 centimeter. Now take the screen and again do the same. Adjust the screen from the mirror to get sharp image. So here, so now here I kept the candle at 60 centimeter. While adjusting the screen here, now I got a sharp image which is inverted and diminished. Now let us find the distance of the image, means the distance from the mirror to the screen. It is showing that 38 centimeters. So in this way we have to keep the object at various places and adjusting the screen to get the sharp image, find the image distance. Remember that always we have to measure the distance from the mirror only. Mirror to the candle object distance, mirror to the screen image distance. So like that we got different values for the different distances. Now here in this activity we have kept a candle at 35 centimeter distance and at 44 centimeter distance, 50 centimeter and 60 centimeter distance. So we got the image distances. So here object distance we used to represent as u and image distance as v. So now we have to use these values, u values and v values, we have to write in table. After writing table, using mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, or f is equal to uv by u plus v. By using this formula we can calculate. Let us calculate the focal length by using this mirror formula. Before that you have to remember one thing, that is sign convention. So here in this concave mirror, so object is in front of it, image also we are getting in front of it. So that means we are measuring the distances from mirror to the object, mirror to the image. So these distances are opposite to the direction of the image distance. That's why we have to take minus, u is value minus and v value also minus. So this minus shows that the distance, the object and image, both of them are in front of the mirror. So let us calculate the focal length.